Hi guys, welcome back to the channel and welcome to the Condo hunting series. Now we've got a few videos coming up over the coming days which are exclusively looking at condominiums in Kuala Lumpur. We love the city, we've been here for a while now. We decided to make a permanent move potentially. We've been looking at visas, so we've hooked up with a few local estate agents, so we've got a few condos to show you. And today we're starting off with the establishment in Bangsar.
So what we're looking for is a balcony. We're looking for at least one bedroom, and it's got to be close to things for my mobility issues. So sort of within a 3 or 4 minute walk, but ideally sort of in the immediate area, that would be good. Also a bath, but I don't think that's going to be feasible.
Yeah,
really, can't have everything.
We might get lucky. Fingers crossed. Now, without further ado, guys, let's go. We'll take you outside and we'll start from there, and we'll check in a little while.
Oh no! We must say, budget-wise, we've looked up to 6,000 ringgit, but realistically, to make it more viable long term, we'd be looking around 4,500 ringgit.
Yeah, 6,000 top of the budget.
Yeah.
So we'll show you around the first one, which is the establishment, as I already mentioned, and we'll check in a little while, probably when we get to the pool deck, and we'll just talk you through what this place is about.
Hope you enjoy.
Like and subscribe. We're back because we forgot to mention something. Now, what's really important is the difference between Airbnbs and long-term rentals. Now, Airbnbs can be quite expensive. You're looking somewhere between the $25 to sort of $50 mark for mid-range condo. When you look at long-term rentals for a year or above, rent's pretty much half. So check out Property Guru, the website. It's really phenomenal. Check out the buildings on there. You can do a location search, you can do a facilities search, and go from there if you are seriously considering moving to Kuala Lumpur yourself.
Yeah. Also worth mentioning, some places do consider 6 months long term. Not many, I don't think.
Those were 2 or 3, I think, from who we're speaking to. Right, so yeah, back to the tour. I've introduced this 3 times now because we're not very good at this. Promise we will get better, a bit more practice. Now I have to admit the facilities are nice and it's very quiet. There's barely anyone in the gym, there's barely anyone by the pool. I mean, there's literally myself and Sarah up here at the moment, which is great in terms of well-being. But the proof's going to be in the pudding. It's going to be the condo. So we're going to head down to a unit and take a look now, and then we're going to take a look at the local area. See you soon. I quite like the building. I've got to admit, I quite like the building. I really like security, opening doors. That's the best, nicest security I've come across since I've been in KL.
Yeah.
The pool's quiet, the gym's quiet. There's not many children around making noise, which sounds probably negative.
No, I think that's really good.
Yeah, but the location of it, for me, the train station, the commuter links are brilliant if you're commuting, but it's not really what we're going to be doing. So having to go across the train station to go to the local shop or whatever, not really for me.
But it'd be good if you were working here, I think. Transport links are good. You can get pretty much anywhere.
Yeah.
Yeah. It is quite noisy at the front of the building as well. The reason that we looked at this one was because it had balconies, which are quite rare. But obviously the front of the building's just too noisy. We'd be shouting at each other, I think.
Well, we're shouting now. Look, we've got mics.
We are, yeah.
But Bangsar Village, though, you are close to Bangsar Village, which is the sort of expat hotspot. Well, here in Damansara, and we really like Bangsar Village.
Yeah, I really like that too. So the restaurants in between the hotel and the condo building, that's quite nice. It's convenient. You can go down there and get a coffee, some juices, but that's pretty much it. For me, at least. I'd have to get a grab everywhere else.
The condos also, the units probably aren't great. But then it swings around about. If you like that sort of thing, they are pretty cool, it's pretty trendy, and it's quite cheap. So if you want to know the price, it's going to go on screen now.
Thanks everyone for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe and leave us a comment.
Okay, we have a few more condo videos coming up, guys. We're moving to South Bangsar next, looking at the estate. So, like Sarah said, if you are interested, you can like the video, please subscribe, and you'll get notification when the next video is out. See you in the next one.